Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you? I hope you are all well at home. Okay, students, so chapter 9, my fun day regarding I have explained you till page number 72 in your maths textbook, right? Now, going to explain you regarding next page, which is your page number 73. Now, before going to explain page number 73, few basic information I want to give you regarding your months having number of days. Okay, so that we will see first and then we will see the textbook exercise. Okay, so let's see students.
Before going to and start explanation in page number 73. So students, in the page number 73 given February is different. Means students here it is given that have you observed calendar? आप सबने calendar देखा है आपके घर पे calendar है ना? Okay. So students different different month having different different number of days. सभी month में ऐसा होता है same number of days आते हैं? No. Some are having 31 days while some are having 30 days while one month which is different from everyone which is a February. February सबसे different होता है. Why? Because February having either 28 days or the 29 days. Right? So that's why February is the different. Now students, you might have a question that ma'am, how we will find out that this month having only this 31 days or this month having 30 days or this month having 28 or 29. So students, you can find out on your hand palm. You have to close your palm and you have to see over here. Can you see this portion? One is the upper side, one in between which is the down side. Upper, down, upper, down, upper, down, like this way, right? Now on this you can find out it. See, how you will find out? You have to count like this. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Like this, right? Now students, over there you can count it and you can tell me. कैसे आप बता सकते हो? So students, the month which came in this upper side, जो month यहाँ पे आ रहा है ना, उसमें 31 days only. How many days? 31. And the month which is come in between the fingers here, over here, that month having only 30 days. Clear? And February is the different. So if still February coming over here, so it doesn't mean that February having 30 days. But we have to consider 28 or 29. Clear? So see, January came over here means January having 31 days. February here, but still February is different means February having 28 or 29 days. Then March coming over here in upside. So means March having 31 days. Then April in between, so that means 30 days. Then May came in upper side, means May having 31. Right? Then June coming over here, so 30 days. Like this way you have to count it. Now students, I'm drawing this portion in the book and I'm showing you. Okay? Ready? Now students, here I have drawn on your fingers one which is came in upper and one in between two fingers this portion, right? So here I'm writing the name of month. First here January, right? I'm writing January. Then in between February. Then here after February March. Then here April in between. Then May in between June, then upper side July, then again students we will see in the next hand. So upper again August, right? Then in between September, in upper side October, in between November, and last December. Okay students, like this way you are also counting on your fingers. आपका यही hand है देखो. जहाँ पे अपर साइड आ रहा है ना उसको मैंने ऐसे डिनोट किया है एंड इन बिटवीन टू फिंगर्स दिस पोर्शन आई एम शोइंग इट लाइक दिस क्लियर नाउ स्टूडेंट्स द month which is came in this kind of upper portion that month having 31 days right how many days 31 days so I'm writing it this one then March is also having 31 days right? April in between, May is again came in upper side means May having also 31 days, right? Then June in between, July came again in a upper, so this one having 31 days, right? August again came like this way portion, so August is also having 31 days. Then September in between, October again came over here, so October having 31 days right? November in between and December again came over here. So means December is also having 31 days. Clear everyone? Now the month which came in between having 30 days. But since February came over here, that doesn't mean that February having 30 days, right? Why? Because February is different. February is the month which is shortest month among these all. February को हम shortest month बोलेंगे. Why? Because February having either 28 or 29 days. एक फेब्रुआरी मंथ सीजन पूरे साल में ऐसा है जिसमें या तो 28 डेज होते हैं या 29 और 28 जनरली हैविंग फेब्रुआरी हैविंग जनरली 28 डेज एंड इन 4 after 4 years there is 1 year in that February having 29 days 4 साल में एक बार ऐसा होता है कि फेब्रुआरी में 29 डेज होते हैं ठीक है एंड द ईयर पूरे साल में जब स्टूडेंट्स 29 डेज होते हैं ना वो ईयर को हम लीप ईयर बोलेंगे क्या बोलेंगे दैट ईयर विल कॉल्ड एज अ लीप ईयर उसको लीप ईयर बोलते हैं एंड स्टूडेंट्स लीप ईयर हैविंग 366 डेज पूरे ईयर में लीप ईयर जो होता है ना पूरा साल उसमें 366 डेज है जनरली कोई भी ईयर होता है ना जनरली द मंथ हैविंग फेब्रुअरी मंथ हैविंग 28 डेज having total 365 days अब सबको ये पता होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स दैट in a year whole year total 365 days but that is one leap year after 4 years February having 29 days and that year considered as a leap year and that leap year having total 366 days yeah, okay now students we will see the 30 days so students April came in between this portion means April having 30 days April में कितने days होते हैं 30 then June having again it in between this portion came means June is also having 30 days right then September also came in between so means September is also having 30 days and November also came in between means November is also having 30 days right students understood now students I'm just separating out the month who is having 31 days and the month who is having 30 days. And that I'm showing you. Here I have written month having 31 days that we are separating out and month having 30 days that we are separating over here. Students, we have seen first January having 31 days, February having 28 or 29 days. Then March is also having 31 days. So here we have to write down it March. So January, February is different. March, April having 30 days. So here I am writing April. Right? Then May. May is also having 31 days. So May writing over here. Right? Then June is having again 30 days. So June I am writing over here. Then July having 31 days. So here I am writing July. And students, if you will see, August is also having 31 days. So August also I am mentioning over here. Right? July and August. Then September again having 30 days. So September I am writing over here. Then October having, okay, so October is having 31 days. So October over here. And November having again 30 days. So November I'm writing over here. And December last having 31 have separated the months having 31 days and months having 30 days. So students, here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 months having 31 days, and there were 1, 2, 3, and 4 months having 30 days. So 7 plus 4, 11, and February is the difference, right? February is a different. Why it is different? Because it has either 28 or 29 days. And February, students, remember it, February is the shortest month among the all, right? So total 12 months complete, 7 plus 4, 11, and this 12. So everyone understood how you have to find out that which month having how many days? Sure?
So now next page number 73 students. Here it is given February is different. As I told you, why February is different? Because February month having 28 or 29 days, and February is the shortest month among these all. Right? So this one also we have seen that 4 months having 30 days, while the 7 months is there who is having 31 days. That also we have discussed that which one 4 months? April, June, September and November. This 4 months having 30 days, while January, March, May, July, August, October and the December. These 7 months having 31 days. And February is a different. February having 28 or 29 days. Clear everyone? Okay. Now students, we have to look calendar and find out that which months have 30 days. ऐसे कितने months है? Which कौन से month है जिसमें 30 days है? Means students, here we have to write down the name of month, right? So which month is this? First one is April. Which one? April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Then June. J-U-N-E. June. Then September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. And the last, which is November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. Clear everyone? So these are the 4 months which having 30 days. You have to write down these answers, students. Now next question is that how many months have 31 days? Now students, here which months given? Which month question asked? Means we have to write down the name of months. But here I only ask how many, यानी कितने ऐसे month है जिसमें 31 days होते. So we have to count the number of days. So here already given, see, there are 4 months having 30 days, while there were 7 months having 31 days. So how many? 7 months. So here you have to write down it 7 months. Yes or no everyone? Write down answer 7 months. Next question is that how many days are there in February? So this one also I told you that February is a different and shortest month among those. And February is the month who is having either 28 days or 29 days. February में students या तो 28 days होते हैं या फिर 29 days होते हैं. ठीक है? Students remember it, 28 days commonly in every year, but after 4 years the month came in February, means after 4 years February get 29 days. Clear? 4 साल के बाद ऐसा month आता है February का जिसमें 29 days होते हैं. Clear everyone? Next question is this, students. How many days together are there in May and June? So we have to find out together means all together, साथ में, मिला के मई और जून के मंथ से कितने डेज होते हैं. So students, May, January, February, March, April and May. May comes on the upper portion, means May having 31 days. While जून हैविंग हाउ मेनी, मई के बाद जून आता है जो बीच में आएगा, राइट? तो जून में कितने डेज होंगे? 30. अब दोनों को मिला के टोटल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड दिस 2 नंबर टू गेट द टुगेदर आंसर. मीन्स 31 प्लस 30 इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? 31 प्लस 30 करेंगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा?
कम ऑन आलिया, मम्मी को क्यों देख रहे हो आलिया? हाँ, आपको खुद से आंसर देना, आपकी मम्मी दिखा रहे आंसर आलिया। हाँ ओके, आपका आंसर राइट है। कितने डेज होंगे स्टूडेंट? 61 डेज। 1 + 0 1 and 3 + 3 6, so total 61 days. Next is how many Sundays are there in July? यानी जुलाई मंथ। स्टूडेंट्स, if you have any calendar at home, everyone is having calendar, right? आप सभी के घर पे कैलेंडर है ना? So if you will see July month having 4 Sundays. जुलाई मंथ में कितने संडेज आते हैं? 4. So SU4 and Sunday, SUNDAYS, Sundays. Everyone written this answer, 4 Sundays. Okay, now students, this answer you have to write down it by yourself, that what is the day on your birthday. So students, why I am telling you that you have to write down it, because everyone having their different birthdays. सबकी अलग अलग दिन को बर्थडे आती है ना, right? तो आपको कैलेंडर में फाइंड आउट करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल that in which month and on which day your birthday is dead, right? So and then you have to see on that month and on that day which day is dead, वो डेट को और वो मंथ को कौन सा दिन है, आपको वो कैलेंडर में से फाइंड आउट करके उसका आंसर यहाँ पे लिखना है. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो दिस वन you have to write down it by your own self. And this one just we are omitting it because we have to count that how many days are summer holidays we get and how many holidays we are having in winter. So we just omit this one. Okay, clear everyone? Now students, next here discussion about we all know that in a year we are facing 3 seasons: winter, summer and the monsoon or the rainy seasons. So here these 3 seasons discussion is that first one is Ashraf, who say that he is living in the Kashmir, and in the Kashmir most of the time wind is very cold, means too much cold in a Kashmir. We have also seen in our TVs में आप सबने देखा है ना, कश्मीर में बहुत ठंडी होती है, right? Okay, and it makes my teeth chatter means students, if we are also, अगर हमारे यहाँ पे भी ठंडी ज़्यादा होती है ना, तो हमारे टीथ ऐसे वाइब्रेट्स करते हैं. आपने कभी फील किया है विंटर सीजन में? राइट, ऐसा होता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है तो. सो कश्मीर हैविंग टू मच कोल्ड एट देयर टीथ आर चैटरिंग एंड आई लाइक टू सीट इन द सन और नियर अ फायर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे यहाँ भी जब ठंडी ज़्यादा होती है ना, तो हम लोग भी ऐसे फायर लगाते हैं ना, ऐसा करके फायर के पास बैठते हैं या फिर सन के नीचे बैठ जाते हैं टू मेक अवर सेल्फ वार्म, है ना, हमारी सेल्फ को वार्म रखने के लिए, ठंडी ज़्यादा फील ना हो उसके लिए. ओके, सो हियर द डिस्कशन अबाउट द विंटर सीजन. नाउ अबाउट द समर, दैट I am Lakshmi, I live in Chennai. Lakshmi is living in a Chennai, and these days the sun is too hot, means there is too much hot, means here the summer is dead. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है ना, इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है स्टूडेंट्स दैट माई फीट बर्न इफ़ आई वॉक barefoot. barefoot का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? कुछ भी पहने बिना, चप्पल या शूज़ कुछ भी पहने बिना अगर हम लोग चलते हैं ना, तो उनके पैर जल जाते, फीट बर्न, जल जाते, इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है चेन्नई में, राइट? And I like to sit in a pool or taking a bath or having this fan in hand, राइट, ड्रिंकिंग कोल्ड वाटर. समर में हमें भी ये सब चीज़ें पसंद है ना, हमें थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में ऐसा लगता है भी टेक अ बाथ, या फिर ऐसे फ़ैन लेके घूमते हैं, या फिर कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पीते हैं ताकि हमें अच्छा लगे, है ना, बहुत गर्मी होती है समर में, दैट्स वाई. नाउ आई एम रुबैया, आई एम इन मेघालय. Here the rains just don't stop. The sun is hiding behind dark clouds. So students, now also nowadays we are also facing same, right? Just now we are getting it, but in Meghalaya, Rubaya is facing that the rains don't stop. उनके यहाँ पे rain stop ही नहीं होता है, constantly raining is there, right? And the sun is hiding behind the dark clouds. उनके यहाँ जो sun होता है ना, वो clouds के पीछे छुप जाता है, dark clouds के, right? And students, nowadays we are also having a monsoon season. हमारे यहाँ भी अभी मानसून सीजन चल रही है ना, राइट? रेन सीजन चल रही है ना, येस और नो? हैव यू सीन रेनी सीजन? ओके, हमारे यहाँ पे दिस वन आंसर आई हैव मेंशन दैट Your teeth, have you ever felt that your teeth chattering due to cold? विंटर की सीज़न या ठंडी हो रही है और आपकी चैटरिंग टीथ मीन्स आपके टीथ वाइब्रेट हो रहे हैं, आपने ऐसा फील किया है ना? बहुत ठंडी होती है, सो वी आर फीलिंग इट. सो हियर वी हैव टू टिक ऑन द आंसर येस. फील होता है ना स्टूडेंट्स? सो टिक ऑन द येस. एंड योर फीट फील हॉट ऑन वॉकिंग बैरफुट, यानी आप अगर सपोज हमारे यहाँ समर चल रहा है, सीज़न गर्मी की सीज़न होती है ना, तो स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही गर्मी होती है. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ अभी बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत धूप निकल रही है, सन बहुत हॉट है बाहर, और मैं ऐसा बोलूँ चलो चप्पल के बिना चलो, कुछ नहीं पहनना है, तो आपको वहाँ पे गरम गरम फील होगा ना फ्लोर के ऊपर. येस और नो? आपने फील किया है ना? येस. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू टिक ऑन द येस. क्वेश्चन यही पूछा है दैट हैव यू एवर फील दिस, आपने ये फील किया है या नहीं, हमें येस के नो में आंसर देना है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, नेम वन मंथ व्हेन यू कैन इजीली वॉक बैरफुट, यानी ऐसा कोई मंथ बताओ जिसमें आप बैरफुट बिना शूज़ पहने भी चल सकते हैं. तो ऐसा मंथ आई थिंक अक्टूबर है, जब रेनी सीजन होती है ना, विंटर में ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है, सो वी कांट वॉक बैरफुट, राइट. हमें ठंडा ठंडा फील होता है. इन समर वी आर टू मच हॉटनेस इज देयर, सो वी कांट वॉक बैरफुट. So October season means rainy season would be there, so we can walk barefoot, right? Okay. Now have you seen it's raining for many days? आपने कभी ऐसा देखा है कि constantly 2, 3, 4 days तक raining ही हो रहा है without stop? Have you seen? Students, you might be not seen, but before I think 3 to 4 years back, आज से 3-4 साल पहले ऐसा हुआ था. 3 days to 4 days कॉन्स्टेंटली रेनिंग इज देयर. बहुत ज़्यादा रेनिंग, 4 दिन तक ऐसे रेनिंग हो रहा था, बंद ही नहीं हो रहा था, नॉट फॉर अ सिंगल सेकेंड, ऐसा हुआ था, राइट. सो हियर वी हैव टू टिक येस इफ़ यू फील इट. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है, सो यू कैन टिक ऑन नो ऑल्सो. ओके. एंड इन विच मंथ डज इट रेन द मोस्ट इन योर एरिया? सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने यहाँ पे आंसर लिखा है सितंबर. वाई सितंबर? बिकॉज जस्ट नाउ वी फेल्ट दैट आवर प्रीवियस मंथ इज सितंबर एंड वी हैव सीन सो मैनी रेनिंग आर देयर, है ना. देन विच आर द हॉटेस्ट मंथ इन योर एरिया, यानी कौन से ऐसे 2 महीने जहाँ पे बहुत सारी गर्मी होती है. सो हमारे सनले स्टूडेंट्स अप्रैल और मई में ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है ना. सो यू कैन राइट डाउन ओवर हियर अप्रैल, मई. एंड विच आर द कोल्डेस्ट मंथ इन योर एरिया? कोल्डेस्ट यानी जब बहुत सारी ठंडी होती है, तो वैसे दिसंबर एंड जनवरी मंथ ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे ठंडी कोल्डेस्ट मंथ होते हैं हमारे, राइट. राइट डाउन दिस आंसर स्टूडेंट्स. Now next is which fruits and vegetables are seen a lot in the market in this month? Means here it is given May and June. Means we are students, May and June we are having a summer season. That in summer which fruits we will get? So mostly we get mango, watermelon, guava, lychee, and vegetables were ladyfinger, cucumber, potato. These vegetables we get in the month of May and June. And the next is December and the January. So December and January means students winter season, right? So in winter we are getting apple, banana, orange, grapes. These are the fruits we get in December and January. And in vegetables we found carrot, radish, cauliflower. And students, in the December, January means in winter season, we get almost all the vegetables, all the green vegetables we found in the December and January. Means the month of means the season of winter, right? So this all the answer you have to write down it in your textbook, right? And this is the last page of your textbook. But still we are having few CW exercise also, right? Here we have complete chapter in textbook only, but still we have some few exercise in our CW also. That also I am going to explain you.
Okay students, so in my next video I am going to explain you regarding chapter 9 My Fun Day CW exercise, inshallah, in my next video. Okay, so take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz everyone.